Yo. Yeah.
Going to be putting up a light today, LED light. Got it right here. It's provided to me by a company called Cinoton. It's, if you pronounce it that way, it's C-I-N-T-O-N. And I'm obviously not in the shop. I'm out at our camp right now, and hopefully we don't get too much wind noise on this because it is a little bit breezy today. But we have a light out here that we use to light up our dock. I'll take you over and show you kind of what that is. And I'm going to be replacing that old high pressure sodium light with this one here. So I'll take you over, show you what we're going to do. Hopefully we won't pick up too much wind noise, and there's a little bit of a breeze coming in off the river, but here's the light I'm going to replace. This is a high pressure sodium, and as you can see coming up the post there is a 3/4 inch conduit. The mount on the new light is a 2 inch, but I made a little adapter for that. Probably going to put a extra mineral lac up there towards the top, give it a little bit more security. We'll see how wobbly it is, or if it's wobbly at all. But beautiful day on the river out here. But what I need to do is replace this light. It quit working last year, and we do not have our dock in all the way right now. There's another 100 feet of dock that goes on the end of what you see there, and I need to be able to light that up so when we come in at night it's a little bit lit for people walking down the dock. I mean, it gets like pitch dark out here. So here's the back of the light itself. 5000 K is the color temperature of it, 200 watt output. Input voltage is 100 to 277 volt. And it comes with a cord on it, like so right here. And then there's a adapter thing that goes on the end of this down here. And I'm under a tree, so there's some shade. The lighting is going to be kind of goofy. Give you a look at the other side of this. You can see we got quite a LED panel there. This should light the dock area up real good. And right down here to the left of my hand is the photocell. So on at dark, off at dawn, although I won't be leaving this running all day, or I mean I should say all night, every day, all week. We'll only have it when we're out here. Okay, we got a little bit of assembly required, but it's not too tough. They give you a bolt and you have this adapter here, and this will be going on this eventually, which will be my adapter. I'm going to get me an alien wrench out here, the right size, about like so. There we are. So I'll get these backed out. Get those loose so I can flip them out easy. I'll need to take my cord and run it down through the base here. And there's teeth in this. Hopefully you can see that, so it locks to where you want to aim it at. So for right now, and they give you a bolt here to put in. And of course that's a different size. So we get that kind of started in there and got to get an idea of where I want this. Just kind of guessing right now. We'll aim it up closer after it gets dark. I'm not going to actually snug it down real tight yet, but that's how you get the base of it set up. Now I need to get this mounted on the pole after I take the old light down, and you don't really need to watch me take a whole light apart. So there we are with the old light off and the adapter put on. I'd forgotten that was number 10 wire in there. That's going to be a tight fit. Okay, so what do you do with this extra wire? You've got this SO cord that comes off the light. We'll make the connection, and then it folds up and goes down inside that 2-inch pipe nipple you see there sticking up. Okay, so put a piece of tape over the photocell because the sun's still shining mighty bright out here. See how this looks when it gets dark. And something I noticed while I was out here putting this light up is over on our neighbor's lot over here. Some beavers have been busy. They're going to lose that tree. And hopefully it doesn't fall that way because that's our camper over there. So we may be having to cut that one down and drop it out here towards the river. I'll have to talk to him later when he gets out here. I don't know if he's aware of that or not. Anyway, getting back to the light. There it is. I think it'll do an excellent job. We'll look at it when it gets dark. Well, not exactly completely dark yet, but the light did come on, and I will walk down below and we'll look at it from the bottom. May need to do a little bit of re-aiming on it, but it's going to light up the dock area here real well. Yeah, aside from the train going by across the river there, this is going to work out good. This will light everything up real well. I need to raise my well, there's that train. I got to raise that light up a little bit, but I think this will be an excellent thing, and the neighbors want the same thing, so I'm going to be getting them one of these. So here's a second install at the neighbor's camp, and I will give you an update on it when the light comes on. Ours has come on. Ours has come on, so it shouldn't take long for this one over here to come on. A little bit different mounting arrangement, but we needed to light up a little bit different kind of area. Well, there it is. It's come on, and it will definitely light things up down here. Like I say, it's not dark, but looking down, of course, dock isn't in yet either, and we'll shoot some more of this after dark. And the background noise is a barge tug going upriver. Okay, so here it is after dark, completely dark, and like I say, the dock isn't all the way out there yet, but everything's really well lit up. So these do an excellent job on at dusk, off at dawn. There's somebody out there in a boat late at night. Of course, any white light's going to attract some bugs, but that's the way it is. But boy, do these do a good job. And there'll be a link in the description on where you can go to get one of these. I'm Roger, not in the shop, but out at camp. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.